Find out about making money online here. The internet is a vast and wonderful technological landscape. It serves a number of purposes, from illegal and indecent activities to kicking back and watching cat videos. Serious netizens use the internet to make money. If you hope to join their ranks and make some income of your own online, keep watching. Do some surveys to make an online income. There are a huge number of surveys available online. Completing surveys allows you to generate a nice income stream. The surveys might not pay very much, depending on exactly where you take them. But, it's a simple way to make some money in your free time. You may be surprised at how the money can add up. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Serious netizens do not sit back and fire off tweets or watch cat videos, at least not too much anyway. They know that the internet offers many ways to make money online and they take advantage of these opportunities. Now that you have watched this video, you can join the ranks of those making money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.